Engine oil change on Smart, equipped with the 0.8 Mercedes-Benz Diesel, and this engine doesn't have a drain plug to drain the oil, but we're going to change it anyway. Alright, let's get started. And because we don't have a drain plug, we have to use the oil extraction pump, and I only warm up my engine up to 50 degrees Celsius. We don't want our oil to get too hot because we can damage the pump. Alright, always refer to your owner's manual, tons of useful information there. How many liters, what type of oil to use, all you will find in your owner's manual. Guys, if you're first time to the channel, please subscribe, click that notification bell, very appreciated that. And as you can see, engine takes approximately 2.7 liters of oil. Okay, we're using oil extraction pump. I connected to the battery, positive to positive, negative to negative, and I have my container to dump the dirty oil, and the suction side we're going to pull the dipstick out and stick that end of the suction hose inside the dipstick tube. It's a little bit of play. You need to find a sweet spot where you have the good suction, not sucking air, and get all that oil from the engine. And yeah, that's the way you do it. Alright, turn your pump on and see oil started coming up, and you sometimes need to pull it out just to get to that right sound when you have the pumping oil, not just getting too much air. And here we go. Yeah, it will take a while. It took me probably like 5 minutes to get rid of all oil, and as soon as you have no oil, you can check with a dipstick, and it should be probably like 2.5-3 liters out. Alright, now I have all oil extracted from the engine, and now I'm pulling my suction tube from that engine, now 27 mil socket, and we have to remove the engine oil filter cup, and it's a cartridge filter inside. Let's pull it out, and yeah, most of the European vehicles are using those cartridge type oil filters. Alright, let's get that one out. As you can see, it's all black. Diesel engine oil oxidized pretty fast. And yeah, let's remove the rubber o-ring around the bottom of the oil filter cup, and the new filter came with a new rubber o-ring as well. Just compare both filters side by side, make sure it's the same filter, and here's a new o-ring came with the filter. Let's put a light coat of fresh engine oil on the o-ring and transfer new o-ring to our filter cup. As you can see, on the bottom is the groove, and make sure that o-ring is not twisted, otherwise it will leak the oil. Alright, push it all the way down until it sits in that groove. Guys, it's pretty simple, but a little bit different because we don't have a drain plug. Okay, let's push that filter in, and we'll click, and you will see it will firmly sit inside. Alright, let's clean the cup, and let's go underneath, and there's a filter, there's the part number, and yeah, wipe the oil filter housing a little bit and install the filter. Yeah, it's pretty simple, straight forward. I wish engineers put a drain plug, but they didn't. But I heard some smart diesels have that, but I don't know, I've never seen it. Okay, this is the oil I'm going to use, and I measure it exactly 2.7 liters as I saw in the owner's manual. Okay, my funnel is ready, and let's put that amount. And I put 2.7 liters, and let's go and check the level. and my dipstick is clean. And let's see. And what we have, we are right at the tip on the lower side, and in between the bottom, that lower mark, and top is roughly 1 liter. And I would say I probably put 3.5 liters. Guys, it's only demonstration. You always check your owner's manual, and this is a demo how I did it. All right, and I didn't have much oil left, and yeah, that's much oil I use it. And remember, our filter is still empty. Okay, put an oil filler cap. Let's check the oil level again, and where are we at? And I'm right at the top oil mark, right? Yeah, and the oil filter is empty. As I said, I will take a little bit, and we will be right close up to the high oil mark. Okay, everything's clean. Let's start up engine, run it for a couple minutes, let oil circulate it, and check for leaks. Guys, if you like it, thumbs up, very appreciated that. All right, and yeah, it's pretty simple, but you have to find that oil extraction pump. All right, and yeah, let's check underneath, see if we have any leaks around the oil filter housing. Nope. Okay, turn it off, let it sit for a couple minutes for oil to settle down, and check the engine oil again. All right, good to go. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Very appreciated your time, and see you soon. Bye bye.